Hey guys, it's me, Beauty Glamour here. So in today's video, I am going to be giving you guys 4 tips on how to your makeup stretch. Now let's get straight into this video. So now in this video, when I'm talking about making your makeup stretch, I am not talking about makeup last way past its expiration date. I'm talking about finding more ways to use up your makeup. So that's what I mean. I am talking about how to make your makeup stretch. First tip for you guys is to use the makeup that you guys already have at home. My second tip for you guys is to be mindful about how much makeup you guys are applying to your face. Next tip for you guys is do not wear makeup every single day. Last tip for you guys is to try to squeeze every last bit of makeup that you can out of your makeup containers, jars, or tubes. And that can be done like tube. Then simply just cut off the top of the tube and roll it down like you would toothpaste, so that way all the makeup from the top goes down to the bottom and you are able to get maybe a day or 2 days use out of your makeup. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope these tips were helpful to you guys. Do not forget to like and subscribe button below. Bye.